Finally, we have the sun out. Most of the time, I am stuck in my video room doing my video for my personal YouTube channel. So come on in. I'm gonna take you guys along, and then we're gonna do a little tour just to share with you guys how I am spending the whole quarantine. My husband is somewhere at the backyard watering the lawn, and come on in, let's go. This is my home. Let me just take you guys on a little tour of what I usually do on a regular day. Okay, my husband is just done watering the lawn. Say hello.
May I?
Yeah, you may.
Your front door is open.
I know it's open. So usually, Daddy and I, where Daddy and I spend most of the time watching TV.
That's my comfort zone.
I know it's your phone. Oh, is that my phone?
My remote control.
That's my phone.
Okay. Turn on my TV for me again, please.
This is the kitchen. There's nobody in the kitchen. Come to my kitchen. This is my kitchen where all the nice food are made. Daddy loves to bake cake. My husband loves to bake cake. Bake. As a matter of fact, I banned him from making cake. I put on so much weight, like last week alone, I'm sure I put on at least 5 pounds in 1 week. I don't even want to go there. So the kitchen is dry right now. There's no. We're all eating salads and drinking water. For now, let's go. Come on, come upstairs with me. This is my YouTube studio room where I do where all the magic happens. I love purple, I love colors. My studio room, hello, this is Kartia Velino. I love blue, I love red, I love purple. I'm just a colorful person. I love me some colors. Oh, this is where all the magic happens. I love colors, I love purple, red, you can tell that I love colors. I usually sit here like I do videos every day of the week. Yeah, instead of just being on the couch and watching TV. Everything on TV is about COVID-19. So I rather spend some time in here, do my videos, and do a lot of research. And you know, I love fashion. You can tell. Yeah. So these two are a few of my designs by Kartia Velino. I got this plaque. This is my YouTube plaque. I got this plaque when I made 100,000 subscribers. Now, the next milestone on my own personal YouTube is, I know it's not 400,000. I'm going to aim a high to 1 million subscribers. Yes, we're gonna move on to my old bedroom. I know most of you guys have seen my closet before, but let's just go one more time. Do the closet, do a little bit of the bedroom, and my makeup section. So come on, let's go. So really, welcome to my closet one more time. Let's get over, and I'm gonna share what I have in my closet with you guys. So come on in. So this is a section of my closet, and having a part-time job as a nurse does not give me the opportunity to wear most of the things that I have. And I have decided really to stop shopping. I need to stop shopping because here in Canada, we don't really have a whole lot of we don't have a whole lot of summertime for shopping. There are things everywhere. Even back home in Nigeria, there are so much clothes everywhere. So here is a section of my closet. So I have my bags over here. I started by doing the bigger ones, and then I did the medium size colors over here, and then I have most of my summer colors over here. I have some evening purses on this side. I also have some of the colors of shoes here, and this is where I really did a very good job by lower section or lower section, and then more blacks and more colors for summer, yellow, pink, all summer colors. I also did an amazing job on this side here where I put all the tan, and over here, I put all the tan colors together, more of the summer colors on this side, high heels and high heel shoes colors over here. And then on this section here, also have more tan on this color. On this section here, more of my evening purses here. Right here are, down here are my sunglasses. I decided to pull them off the cases so I can really know what I have in my sunglasses, even though some of them are still tucked in somewhere inside the case, and some of them are still inside my inside the car. Over here are my jewelries. So I have some of my chunky jewelries in this cupboard, in this drawer here. Those are all my chunky jewelries in here. Yes. On the second drawer here are also my jewelries. I don't even want to get into doing my hair. I love collecting wristwatches. Those are the big face wristwatches. And in here are the small wristwatches. Small face. Yes, I still have my chunky jewelries and things. In these two drawers here are some of my sweaters for winter and sweaters for winter. And over here, over on this side are some of my dark colors outfits, long, short, everything outfits. Black stays in that corner, inside corner. Here are some of the colored outfits. I try to organize them by length, so they're all by length, most of them. Those are the longer ones. And on this side here are dresses, and down here are the pants, and down here are some of my pants too. And the shoes, more shoes here, more shoes on this corner. Here are some of my skirts and blouse, and my tops are on this side, different tops like my long sleeve tops. When you look up here, really up are my wigs, and then my jeans and the tops to go with them. On this corner here are some of my bold, big, chunky belts. Big belts. And on the wall here are some of my regular, on the wall here are my regular belts for jeans and for skirts. Yes. Corner here are my makeup section. This is my makeup section. Makeup, makeup, makeup. Here are all my perfume. I love me some perfume. Perfumes. Yes, what's a girl without the perfume? And I have my trunk boxes here. So, yes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to this Toronto Niger Wives channel. We have more coming up for you guys, and also remember to follow me on my own personal YouTube channel at Kartia Velino. I hope you enjoy the tour and the view and how I am personally quarantining at this COVID-19 moment. So bye bye guys.